Santa Mesa, SM Mega Mall, SM City Cebu, SM South Mall, SM City Paco, SM City Fairview, SM City Lilo, SM City Manila, SM City Pampanga. Yeah! Got SM City South, SM City.
This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. Manila has fallen in October 1973, and 14 citizens and 2 tourists died before this creature shown. If you want to be safe, follow these rules. First, don't go outside at 8:01 p.m. to 5:59 a.m. Second, never resist and never look outside. Third, get a thick plywood to cover the windows and get a shelter. Fourth, if you're in danger, call 911. It will repeated shortly. Thank you for listening. It will resume it shortly.
Let's keep the story rolling on Disney Channel.
Piracy is illegal.
This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. We found a creature. Investigators found the creature. Here's the footage. If you see this creature, stay inside. It won't protect the shield. Don't help anyone unless the creature catches you. But it is safe to stay in a bunker near the houses and schools. The creature will appear in 3, 2, 1.